everyone, my name is Akriti and you're watching Boardmass Global Education. Today I am sharing everything you need to know about Monowara Sikdar Medical College in Bangladesh, one of the growing private medical colleges that many students, especially from India, are considering for MBBS. Monowara Sikdar Medical College and Hospital was established in 2015 and is located in Shariatpur district of Dhaka division, Bangladesh. It is affiliated with the prestigious University of Dhaka and recognized by the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council, WHO and India's National Medical Commission. This college offers a 5-year MBBS program plus a 1 year of mandatory internship. Now we will talk about the environment, facilities and the admission process of this college, giving students a good mix of theoretical and practical medical education. The campus is situated on a large, beautifully landscaped area providing a peaceful, pollution-free environment. Perfect focused study. The college is equipped with modern labs, libraries, and a teaching hospital, giving students a good mix of theoretical and practical medical education. Admission to the MBBS program requires passing the NEET for Indian students. The total fee for the entire course is around 37,000 USD, or it's approximately 30 lakh in Indian rupees, which includes tuition and hostel fees for both boys and girls. This fees is quite reasonable compared to many private medical colleges in India. If you are planning to join MSMC Bangladesh, this is how you can reach there from India. The fastest way is to way from cities like Kolkata, Delhi or Mumbai to Dhaka airport. Then hire a taxi or bus for the 150 km 3-4 hour drive to the college. Alternatively, you can train running from Kolkata to Dhaka and then continue by road to the college. Whether by flight or train, reaching MSMC is simple and convenient for Indian students. I'm sure you got all the information about the admission process, campus, etc. Now I'll tell you why to choose MSMC Bangladesh. These are the few points which you can consider about the college. The faculties are dedicated to supporting students individually and in groups. The teaching is in English, which is advantage for international students. The recognized degree helps graduates with opportunities worldwide. The college emphasizes hands-on hospital experience, crucial for becoming a competent doctor. At last, from my perspective and the information I got to know about this college offers a balanced option for medical aspirants looking for quality education abroad without overly high fees. The environment and recognition make it a viable choice for Indian students who qualify NEET but want affordable education with global acceptability. However, students should also consider other factors like living outside India, cultural adjustments, and long-term career plans before deciding. So at the end of the video, I would like to say, if you are passionate about a medical career and considering options outside India, Monowara Sikdar Medical College in Bangladesh can be a good option. If you want to know more about this college and want to get admission in this college, you just call on this number which is showing below the screen. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for such informative content. Thank you for watching.